Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here and I'm back with one more video. In today's video, we'll discuss the performance of Nifty Bank Nifty intraday calls, which I regularly update. I regularly update the performance of my intraday and positional call services. The video you are able to see Nifty Bank Nifty intraday calls week performance 14th June to 18th June. After 18th June, I couldn't get time and I couldn't update the performance on YouTube. But if you see this, Sunil Pawar, the best option analyst, my Telegram channel, you can search this channel as Sunil Pawar Option King. If you search Sunil Pawar Option King on Telegram, you will find this channel, and there you can see the performance of each day, each call. It is updated every day. It means today's performance is also updated there. So if you want to join this channel, the name of the channel is Sunil Pawar Best Option Analyst. And how you will search this channel, Sunil Pawar Option King. If you search Sunil Pawar Option King, then you will find this channel. If you get any problem in finding this channel, then contact me on my WhatsApp number 9890812070. On this number you can contact me and I'll send you the link. So I had updated from 14th to 18th, and 18th was Friday, 19th was Saturday, 20th was Sunday, and 21st. From 21st June to 5th of July till today. So this video is the continuation to this video which you are able to see on screen. It was from 14th June to 18th June, and current video is 21st June. 18th was Friday, so 21st of June, that is Monday, till today. So what is the performance of these calls? We are going to discuss in detail. So first, I'll slowly scroll down these calls. These are the calls which are given one day before. These calls are given to the clients one day before. Means these calls are given one day before in the night. Next day, after 9:15, the client is expected to follow these levels and follow the rules of trading. So slowly I will show you all the calls, and then we'll discuss the performance one by one. This was expiry day. Wherever you feel like you want to check in detail there, you can pause this video and you can check. So these are the calls which were given from 21st of June till today. Now, as I have told you, I have updated the performance of these calls every day on Telegram channel. So this is 21st of June, you can see that. These are the positional calls, Wipro and all. Here in this video we are not going to see positional, we are going to see intraday calls. On this Telegram channel, positional and intraday, both the calls performance is updated regularly. So we are going to see intraday calls here in this video. So 21st June, Nifty and Bank Nifty opened with a big gap down. So pre-market calls did not, they opened above the target, and that's why live market calls were given at 10:41 AM, and the performance of live market calls was Nifty call option hit the target. Bank Nifty 21st of June, Bank Nifty doubled. Bank Nifty call option doubled. How doubled? It hit the target within 2 hours. As per rule, wherever target is hit within 2 hours, then hold the trade till 3:20 p.m. and at 3:20 p.m. it was double. Then we'll see 22 June. These Maruti and all you are able to see, these are positional calls, not intraday calls. Positional calls means these calls are given on Sunday, and on Tuesday only Maruti has given 32,000 profit. This is different, separate service. Here in this video we are discussing only intraday. Again here on 22, again today's pre-market calls given yesterday night, but today market opened with a big gap up, and hence live market calls were given at 10:32 am. Again market opened with a big gap up, and the pre-market calls opened above the target, and hence new live market calls were given at 10:32 am. And what happened with those 10:32 am calls? Bank Nifty put hit target. Entry was 262, target was 383. It has hit 389. And 22 June, Nifty put hit a big target. 115 was the entry. It has gone up to 162. You can see the details. Then we are coming to 23rd of June. Nifty call hit the stop loss. See this. 23rd June. Nifty call hit the stop loss. Then Nifty put activated. We entered with double lots, and it has hit the big target. This happened in Nifty. Bank Nifty only put activated, and it has also given big profit. Then on 24th of June, it is the live market demo call. It was free demo call that you people have seen live. It was given, this demo call was given 24th June was expiry, and this call was given as a free demo call to the people. Rules were also discussed. Video was also shared. 2 times video shared. One in the night, yes, one day before in the night, and one video sharing time was 9 am just before the market, so that people can again see if they have not seen yesterday night. What happened with these free demo calls? They have given a big targets. There was a very easy entry on 24th of June. Calls were standing at entry price for 5 minutes, and then they hit the target. So these calls were fantastic calls. Even Fin Nifty, 8 minutes call was standing at the entry price and then hit the target. Nifty call was standing for almost a few hours there, and then hit the target. This was the live call people have seen. And then there was a live trade note also. Then now we'll see 25th of June intraday calls. You can see here Bank Nifty call 34,800, entry 505, hit target of 590, hit 602. Again trade note here. Nifty call 15,800 has not crossed the entry price till now. Nifty put has also not crossed the entry price. So that was Nifty call or put both not enterprise across the enterprise, hence no trade in on 25th of June. Then 28th of June, intraday calls. This Adani Ports was a positional call. It has given 16,000 profit, but it was positional call. We are not discussing those positional calls here. Here you can see 28 because I couldn't update on 28th. Here it is updated 28th June. Nifty call hit the stop loss, but Nifty put entered and it has hit target of 20 on 29th. Nifty put crossed the entry price on 29th and hit the target. So it is like that. 28th Nifty call activated, hit the stop loss, but put did not activate. That 28th put activated on 29th and hit the target. And what happened in Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty call hit stop loss, but Bank Nifty put did not cross the entry price. Even on 29th also. So it was a loss. In entire 2 weeks, this trade has given a loss. This one trade, one single trade has given loss in 2 weeks. And then this was 28th performance. Now 29th June. Nifty put hit 109. Entry was 80. Bank Nifty put from 286 it has hit 352. And later on from 286 it has hit 454. Big targets, big profit. On June 30th June pre-market calls, Nifty call hit the target. Bank Nifty put option is active, update later. So 30th June we are discussing. And 1st July. This 1st July, these calls were given as a demo call free to the public. Video was also shared in the night also and in the morning also. But those calls failed and hit the stop losses, and these 1st July calls hit the stop losses. In June month, all 4 expiries have given profit. It was 100% accuracy. Every week, every Thursday was in profit. 1st July, it was Thursday, but it was in loss. And that is why immediately 2nd July, demo call was given at 9:32 PM so that people can recover the loss they have done on Thursday. So this was a Friday call that was shared. Expiry 8th July. 2 July call. If you see these calls, these calls made loss, and that is why these calls were given as a demo call. These calls 2nd July, these calls. And what happened there? Rules were also discussed again, and the targets were hit, and this was the scenario. 1st July, it was a loss of almost 10,000 on 2 lots, almost 10,000. But by 9:50 a.m., Nifty put and Bank Nifty put given us profit and recovered the entire loss, and the trader was in profit. So in the entire 2 weeks, only one day, Thursday, 1st July, losses were made, but that loss was recovered on 2nd July, immediately next day by 9:50 a.m. before 10 a.m. 1st July calls were given as a demo call, Second, and because the 1st July calls made losses, immediately 2nd July call was also given as a demo call so that people could recover those loss and come into the profit. So that is the professionalism in the professional approach. 5th July, it is today, Nifty call given a big target, very big target, from 102 112, from 77 to 102, but it has given far beyond that. Bank Nifty call 348 to 413, but it has gone far ahead of 413. So today it was a big profit day. And today these calls, last Sunday, these are again positional calls, Hindalco and VEDL. These calls were given just yesterday, means these calls were given on Sunday. Positional calls are given on Sunday, and these calls are given big profit. These are positional calls I am discussing. VEDL has given 26,000 profit, and Hindalco has given 18,000 profit, but they have given more profit than this. This was profit by 1:32 p.m. only. They have given even more profit than this today. And in positional calls there are 5 targets, so they have hardly touch. They have VDL and Hindalco calls have hardly touched second target. Many targets are yet to come. So friends, this was the performance. Sometimes I couldn't get time, but you can check the performance on Telegram channel. Intraday and positional, everything is updated, everything is crystal clear. Today I have discussed the calls, and I have also discussed the demo calls and all the performance in detail. So whoever wants to join these services can contact me on this number 9890812070. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll get back to you again. Thanks friends, thanks for watching this video. Share all the channels and videos with all of your friends so that they also can take benefit. Thanks friends.